And dear aspirants who are preparing for different kind of competitive examinations, I welcome you all in my video lecture reflection. Basically, reflection is the property of light, and this is the part of geometrical optics. Then there are two categories of the optics, one of physical optics and other is the geometrical optics. Here today we are just discussing a single concept and single topic of reflection. Okay, and in a reflection there are so many rules, devices which works on the concept of reflections. Okay, and for the most, reflection is the property of wave. Light is the wave, so light shows the property of reflection. Sound is the wave, sound also shows the property of reflection. So you can just learn that if any wave, then it must show the property of reflection. Okay, then here on the board I just represent a concept map and this is visual to all. जैसा कि सभी को दिख रहा होगा कि हमने यहाँ पर एक कॉन्सेप्ट मैप बिल्डअप किया है और इस कॉन्सेप्ट मैप में एक बहुत ही छोटे छोटे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स का एक कॉम्बिनेशन है, एक संकलन है, एक कलेक्शन है. एंड देयरफॉर दिस concept map or brain map help us to learn the important features of this chapter, this properties. And here, so first we know what is the reflection and then what are the rules for the reflection, then how many types, how many ways reflection takes place, regular and diffused. Then through how many devices reflection takes place, through plane mirror, through a spherical surface or a spherical mirror, and spherical mirrors how many types and how can it categorize, how was their images forms, what are the characteristics of the images, and how these mirrors can be applicable in our practical life. Means in this concept map we just try to represent image formation process, application areas and so many. Okay, so first we come on the first point, laws of reflection. Reflection क्या होता है? जब when light falls any shiny or smooth surface, it come back in the same medium. This is known as the reflection of light. जब light आपका किसी भी shiny surface, just assume here this is the shiny surface and light falls. Light falls here and this go back in the same medium. This is known as reflection. If the surface is shiny, then there will be regular reflection takes place. If surface is rough, just for example, grassland, rough wall, etc. And on these surfaces, light reflected, but this is the kind of diffused or irregular reflection, and in a regular reflection always takes place shiny or the smooth surfaces. Therefore, what are the conditions for the regular reflection? Regular reflection will take place on shiny surface, and in this condition angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. And there are two laws of the reflection. First, this line is a normal, mn is known as normal, AB. So normal, incident ray, reflected ray, all lies in the same plane. सभी जो है एक ही प्लेन में होते हैं. Rule number 2, incident angle must be equal to angle of reflection in the case of regular reflection. Sorry. Now, reflection through plane mirror. What is the plane mirror? If we polish a plane surface either side, then it's form a plane mirror. Just you look here, I am drawing. This is the plane mirror. Okay, AB is the plane mirror, and when light incident on this surface, it's go back in the same medium. And in this condition, I equal to R. This is AP. AP is the incident ray and BP is the reflected ray. Angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incident. Angle between reflected ray and normal is known as angle of reflection. Clear? And what are the basic properties of the plane mirror? First thing, it is the plane, no aperture, no curved surface, so it has its focal length infinite. Okay, plane mirror have its focal length infinite, so you can write f equal to infinite. F will be infinite, and therefore your image will be formed where are you stand. मीन्स अगर आप प्लेन मिरर के सामने किसी भी रेंज पर कहीं पे भी खड़े हैं तो आपका जो है इमेज फॉर्म होगा. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द इमेजेस, प्लेन मिरर से जो इमेज बनेगी, दिस विल बी वर्चुअल, सेम डिस्टेंस बिहाइंड द मिरर, सेम साइज, लैटरली इन्वर्टेड. ये इतने इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स हैं और भी हम कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज बताएंगे इसके बाद वाले लेक्चर्स में. इफेक्ट ऑफ द रोटेशन ऑफ मिरर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, यू मस्ट लर्न दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड इन योर हायर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस. इफ यू रोटेट द मिरर, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे टर्न्स थ्रू द डबल ऑफ द एंगल. ओके, टर्न थ्रू द डबल ऑफ द एंगल. Turn through double of the angle or 2 theta you can write here. Okay, now reflection through a spherical mirror. There are basically 3 type of the spherical mirrors. 2 types, one convex and concave mirror. One another type of mirror is known as a parabolic mirror, and the application of parabolic mirror will be in the next classes, and how it is useful instead of spherical mirrors. This concept is the part of later discussion. Now, convex mirror and concave mirror. Okay, convex mirror, just you can see this is the convex mirror and this is concave mirror. So, convex mirror and concave mirror. Characteristic of images: virtual, erect, dimness. Means convex mirror have 3 basic character of images. It is always present. Image formed by convex mirror will be virtual, erect, dimness. And characteristic of image by concave mirror, it is depend on the position of object from the mirror, and its characteristic will be varies. So this have a different characteristics, and therefore this use have also very wide. Okay, application, 2 important application: rear view mirror and reflector. Concave mirror application, shaving mirror for doctor's use. These 2 are very important rather than so many here. Okay, so dear student, this is our a summary of chapter, summary of concept, which will be discussed in our video lectures part wise. So in our first lecture, we discussed plane mirror and its image formation with the property of reflection of light and its importance. Then our second lectures, convex mirrors, and in our third lecture, concave mirror, and then fourth, we discuss the formulation between UVF, magnification, and all other topics will be covered in 3 to 5 lectures. With numerical solving problem also will be included in this video.